Hello friends, so in this video we will learn how to implement the instantial ad in our application. In previous video I will show you how to include the banner ad, so I used the same project. So if you don't watch my previous video, so just watch to get more information. So I will just move to the Admob and now click the apps and click the application, select my application and click add unit. Now for create new add unit, just click add unit, and here we get the instantial ad. So select it. Instantial ad can cover the whole image, whole size of the screen. So in it the ad types are image, video and text. We can also change the frequency. So if you want to customize it, you can customize it here by easily. So I don't can customize it. I just simply provide the ad unit name here. So just provide an ad unit name. So I provided demo interstitial. Okay, interstitial. Okay, now completed. Now I will click the save option. So just click the save button, and here you can see the two IDs are here. So just select both of them, select it and just copy it and paste this to any notepad or anything anywhere. So you can see the app ID is same as the banner ID. So because it was app ID, so it was same for both banner ad, instantial ad and native ad. So now we'll go to our browser and click the done option. So you can see the new ad unit will include here. So now move to our studio, and here I use a new activity for it. So just right click on app and new, and now move to the activity and select empty activity. Now I will provide a name here for second activity. Now click finish, and in main activity just select the text view, select it and copy this text view. Now move to second activity XML. Firstly we change the layout here, so rename it to relative layout. Now paste the text view here, paste it and change the text to second demo activity. Okay, everything is done. Now move to the main activity. Now I need a button here to move to the second activity. So I just add a new button. So button with match parent, height wrap content, and now provide the text here for button to show. So text also start second activity. So here is it. Now I will provide the ID for it, ID and second activity. So okay, it is done. Now I will provide some margin from top 50 sp and margin left and right. So firstly right 25 sp, now margin left 25 sp. Okay, and yeah, I forget something because it's in it. Now I will provide a layout below option here. So below yeah, id, and provide the id of text view. Yeah, I will show you the preview here, and after the text view you can see the button here. When we click this button, I will move to the second activity. So now go to the main activity.java and make an object of button btn. Yeah, here is it. Now initialize this button, button equal typecast with button, and now find view by id r dot id dot second activity. Yeah, is it. Now set a on click listener on this button. So button dot set on click listener new and on click listener. Here is it. So when we click this button, I will move to the app will move to the second activity. So now we will initialize, make an object of instantial add. So private instantial add, where is it. Yeah, here is it, instantial add, and make an object of instantial add. Now initialize this instantial add. So yeah, here it is. I will initialize instantial add equal to new instantial add and make and provide a context this. Okay, now set add unit id here. So instantial add dot set add unit id, and in double quotes. Now move to text view and select the add unit id from here. Just select it and copy it and paste it in here. Paste it. In our last video, I will tell you that don't use the real id if you are debugging or testing mode of your app. So use the sample id. So I will tell you how to find the sample id in browser. Just find test ads, and here is the first link of official site. Just open it, and now scroll down. Yeah, here is the sample id. So for testing purpose, use it. Now load add. So instantial add dot load add and add request, new add request dot builder dot build. Okay, so here is it. Now what can I do now? Yeah, in on click listener, if check the condition, if instantial add is already loaded, so just check it is loaded. If it's load, then it will show, because instantial add not automatically will show. So I use it, and else just move to the second activity. So start activity and intent, new intent, and context of this comma, and now the second activity dot class. Yeah, oops, there was an error. Yeah, what is, yeah, that I used this here, so I just change it. Yeah, just change it to, yeah, main activity dot this. Okay, here is it, and the error gone. Now when we click this button, the firstly ad will show, and then when we close the ad, the second activity will open. So to done this task, so in initial ad dot set add listener and new add listener, So in ad listener, here is the I will overload this ad close option on ad close. So here when we close the ad, so it will call and we will move to the second activity. So I just copy and paste this here. So now I will use, yeah, what can I do? Yeah, I will show you that it was in our previous video. I will tell you about it. When we use emulator, I use this. So now load add, so new and request and dot builder dot build. Okay, so yeah, so in add request I will tell you in our previous video also that when we run in emulator, so use this line here. So I just copy and paste here. So everything is done. Now I will go to our real device to run this app, and here you can see the banner ad in the bottom and a button. So when we click the button, the instantial ad will load. So I will show you by clicking the button. So just click button and here is it, the instantial ad will show. When we close this instantial ad, so I just close it and here is the second activity. So friends, if you don't subscribe my channel, then subscribe my channel firstly, and if like this video and share this video. Thank you friends.